Ever had a quick fix turn into a full-blown headache? Stripped screws, crooked shelves, or a drain that won't budge? Today we're counting down 20 Amazon tools that flip those moments into instant wins. Right up front, one of these gadgets can turn a frustrating jam into a clean, pressure-powered breakthrough. Stick around for the surprises. Some of the smallest tools here deliver the biggest, most satisfying results. 1. Terra Pump Drain Blaster. The Terra Pump Drain Blaster is the no-mess way to blast through stubborn clogs without pouring harsh chemicals down your pipes. You pump it, seal it, then hit the trigger to send a controlled burst of air, rated up to about 87 pounds per square inch, straight into the blockage. The expanding head helps create a tight seal on toilets and drains, and it comes with interchangeable attachments for different fixtures. It's fast, reusable, and perfect for the uh-oh moment before you call a plumber. For homeowners, it's a smart tool that can save time, stress, and service fees. 2. Kululi 4-liter Mini Fridge. The Kululi 4-liter Mini Fridge is tiny but surprisingly useful. It holds up to 6 cans in a 4-liter space and can switch between cooling and warming with a simple toggle. It's designed for bedrooms, dorms, or offices thanks to its quiet thermoelectric system, and it can cool roughly 40 to 45 degrees Fahrenheit below the room's ambient temperature. You also get AC and DC power for home or car use, plus a USB option for extra flexibility. From drinks and snacks to skincare, insulin, or meds, it's a compact keep-it-ready station that looks clean on any desk or counter. 3. Kreg KMM 1000 Magnetic Stud Finder. Kreg's KMM 1000 Magnetic Stud Finder is a simple idea done right. 2 strong rare earth magnets glide across drywall and snap onto hidden screws or nails, showing you exactly where the stud is. No batteries, no calibration, no false beeps. It can even hold itself on the wall once it finds a fastener, freeing your hands for marking. Add the centered marking notches and a high visibility bubble level, and it becomes a fast, pocket-friendly tool for hanging TVs, cabinets, shelves, and heavy frames with confidence. It's small, tough, and ridiculously convenient for quick installs. 4. Hipulex Magnetic Stud Finder with 360 degrees level. The Hipulex Magnetic Stud Finder with 360 degrees level is built for people who want speed and accuracy without electronics. Its extra strong magnet hunts for the metal fasteners inside wood studs, while the integrated 360-degree bubble vial helps you level in any direction. Super handy for floating shelves, picture walls, and mounting hardware. The compact ABS body is sized to live in a pocket or tool belt, and because it's battery-free, it's always ready when you are. If you've ever fought inconsistent readings from cheap electronic scanners, this tool feels refreshingly direct. Scan, stick, mark, done. 5. Klein Tools MSF 100 Magnetic Stud Finder and Level. Klein Tools MSF 100 Magnetic Stud Finder and Level is a rugged, job site-friendly stud locator that focuses on what actually matters: finding the fastener fast. A powerful rare earth magnet detects metal studs and fasteners inside wood studs, while felt pads help protect drywall and plaster as you scan. When it hits, the center notch and bottom opening make marking clean and precise, and the built-in bubble vial helps you keep mounts straight. Klein rates it to withstand drops up to about 9.9 feet, and the over-molded grip feels solid in hand. It's a simple tool, but it makes installations smoother and more reliable. 6. C.H. Hansen 0304 O Magnetic Stud Finder. The C.H. Hansen 0304 O Magnetic Stud Finder is the classic no-drama solution for locating studs in seconds. Instead of guessing with lights and beeps, it uses magnets to find the actual screw or nail heads behind drywall, so you're not chasing false positives. Its compact body slips into a pocket, and the battery-free design means it works every time. No calibration, no dead batteries, no learning curve. For quick tasks like hanging mirrors, towel bars, curtain rods, or small shelves, it's a cheap tool that instantly upgrades your accuracy. Sometimes the simplest tools are the ones you end up using the most. 7. Kreg KMM 1000LZ Magnetic Stud Finder with Laser Mark. Kreg's KMM 1000LZ Magnetic Stud Finder with Laser Mark adds one killer upgrade: It projects a laser line to show the stud position clearly on the wall. 2 rare earth magnets locate screws and nails and can even hold the tool in place hands-free, while marking notches and a bubble level help you line everything up. The Class 2 laser is designed for precise, consistent marking, perfect when you're mounting multiple shelves or a long wall rail and want every fastener dead straight. It's still compact and battery-powered with standard AAA cells, but the accuracy boost makes it feel like a pro version of a simple stud finder. 8. StudPop Original Smart Magnetic Stud Finder. StudPop's original Smart Magnetic Stud Finder is made for the tricky walls that make electronic scanners freak out. Think lath and plaster, tile, or older construction. It uses a strong moving magnet, about 1 inch, that gives you both a visual movement and an audible click when it finds a hidden fastener. No batteries, no calibration steps, and no confusing screen. Just scan and listen. Because it's detecting the fastener itself, the results are often more trustworthy than budget electronic models. For renters and homeowners who hang heavy items often, it's a small gadget that prevents big mistakes. 9. The Original Stud Buddy Plus Magnetic Stud Finder with Level. The Original Stud Buddy Plus is one of the easiest stud finders to explain. Slide it on the wall until it sticks. Neodymium magnets detect the screws or nails in studs, and because it locks onto the wall, it becomes a built-in marker while you measure and drill. The Plus version adds leveling features and a soft grip feel, making it great for gallery walls, TV mounts, and cabinets where alignment matters. It doesn't need batteries, it can work through layers like paint or textured surfaces, and it's fast enough that you'll actually use it instead of guessing and hoping. Simple, smart, and surprisingly satisfying. 10. Hupar LR300 Laser Receiver/Detector. The Hupar LR300 laser receiver is a serious time saver when you're using a laser level outdoors or in bright light. Instead of squinting for a faint line, the detector helps you find the beam fast, up to about 200 feet away, and gives both sound and visual indicators, plus dual-sided bubble vials for quick alignment. It's compatible with line lasers and rotary lasers, red and green depending on your setup, and it mounts to a rod with the included holder and a 1/4 inch thread. For grading, framing, fence lines, or long straight runs, this tool turns close enough into clean, accurate work. 11. Fantic E1 Max Electric Screwdriver. If you've ever stripped a tiny screw on a laptop or camera, this is the upgrade you feel instantly. The Fantic E1. Max is a pen-style mini electric screwdriver built for precision work, pairing controlled electric driving with a clean magnetic storage case that keeps bits organized and ready. It includes a wide variety of precision bits, a magnetic chuck for fast swaps, and torque control that helps prevent over-tightening delicate hardware. It's the kind of tool that turns careful repairs into smooth, repeatable steps, especially for electronics, glasses, and small DIY fixes. 12. Fantic NB8 Nano Portable Cordless Electric Sprayer. This is basically a carry-anywhere water system for real life. The NB8 Nano combines a detachable 8-liter, 2.1-gallon tank with a built-in battery and a retractable spray head, so you're not hunting for hoses or outlets. It runs at a gentle 72 to 98 pounds per square inch, strong enough to rinse bikes, muddy gear, patios, and pet paws, but friendly for plants and sensitive surfaces. The IPX5 rating and sealed body add confidence outdoors, and USB-C charging means you can top it up from a power bank or car. Compact, clean, and genuinely useful. 13. Calvana Magnetic Stud Finder. For hanging shelves or TVs, most smart stud finders slow you down with calibration and false beeps. This magnetic style flips the process. It targets the fasteners already inside the wall, screws and nails, so you can map the stud line with simple, repeatable hits. The multi-pack approach is surprisingly practical. Park one at your mark, keep another in the toolbox, and hand one to a helper so you're not constantly passing tools around. No batteries, no guesswork, and no drama, just quick confirmation when accuracy actually matters. 14. Hupar 56 inches / 1.43 meters Laser Level Tripod. A laser level is only as good as the platform it sits on, And this Hupar tripod is built to make leveling feel effortless. It offers a wide height range, down low for baseboards, up high for cabinets, a quick release plate for faster setups, and stable legs designed for job site use. The head adjustment helps you dial in framing lines, tile layouts, picture grids, and shelf alignment without constantly nudging the tool by hand. It's lightweight enough to carry easily, but sturdy enough to keep your lines from drifting. Exactly what you want when close enough isn't close enough. 15. Kreg Magnetic Stud Finder with Laser Mark. This is one of those tools that feels almost unfair the first time you use it. It finds studs using rare earth magnets, then adds the wow factor, a built-in Class 2 laser that projects the stud's position so you can mark it cleanly, without losing your place. Instead of hunting, marking, rechecking, and second-guessing, you get a clear visual line that speeds up shelves, cabinets, and wall-mounting jobs. It's compact enough to live in a pocket, but it solves a real frustration, keeping your mark accurate while you move your hands to drill or drive. 16. Kreg Magnetic Stud Finder. Sometimes the simplest solution is the one that wins. This Kreg Stud Finder uses powerful magnets to locate nails or screws in the stud behind drywall. No batteries, no scanning modes, no calibration ritual. The best part is how it locks onto the wall once it finds metal, so you can go hands-free and mark with confidence. It's perfect for quick installs like curtain rods, hooks, floating shelves, and small wall fixtures. If you want reliable results with minimal steps, this is the kind of tool you end up grabbing first, because it just works. 17. Punhale 2-in-1 Utility Knife Scraper. This is more than a box cutter. It's a cutting and scraping tool designed for the messy jobs. With a quick switch between knife and scraper modes, you can slice cardboard, trim wallpaper, then immediately scrape paint, stickers, or adhesive without changing tools. The 3-angle locking system, 90 degrees, 130 degrees, 180 degrees, adds control for awkward cuts, and the zinc alloy body is built to take hits. What makes it extra practical is the built-in blade storage, so spares travel with the tool instead of getting lost in a drawer. A small upgrade that saves time all day. 18. Hoto Grip Cordless Electric Spin Scrubber. If cleaning feels like pure effort, this tool changes the equation. The Hoto Grip Spin Scrubber runs dual speeds, 400 revolutions per minute for tough grime, 270 revolutions per minute for everyday cleanup, and stays stable under pressure, so you're not fighting stalled brushes. It includes 6 magnetic brush heads you can swap fast for sinks, tiles, cookware, corners, and stubborn stove grease. It's ultra-light in the hand, fully waterproof, IPX7, and the built-in display shows battery status and mode. With long runtime per charge, it turns deep cleaning into a quick routine, especially in bathrooms and kitchens. 19. Hoto Cordless Leaf Blower. This is the modern do-everything blower, built for quick cleanups without dragging out a full-size machine. Turbo mode pushes up to 720 cubic feet per minute at 120 miles per hour, and you get multiple airflow settings for everything from light dust to wet leaves and stubborn debris. The retractable tube lets you shift between high volume and high speed, while the lightweight design supports one-handed control for roofs, gutters, cars, and tight spots. USB-C fast charging, with the right high-watt charger, keeps downtime short, and the included battery is sized for small yards, patios, balconies, and garages. 20. Hipulex Magnetic Stud Finder with built-in level. For fast-mounting jobs, this tool is all about speed and certainty. The Hipulex Magnetic Stud Finder uses strong magnets to locate the fasteners inside the wall, so you can trace a stud line without electronic scanning errors. Many versions also add a built-in level, which is perfect when you're installing shelves or frames and want everything straight before you drill. Because it's battery-free, it's always ready, and it's compact enough to toss into any kit. It's a simple idea, executed in a way that makes everyday installs faster, cleaner, and more confident. That's our roundup of 20 mind-blowing Amazon tools that turn everyday problems into quick, satisfying wins, from cleaner cuts and stronger mounts to smarter cleanup and faster fixes. If you found a new favorite, check the product links in the description and tell us which tool you'd actually use first. Don't forget to like the video, share it with a friend who loves smart gear, and subscribe for more awesome finds.